All right. Quick animation work. Oh, this is what's up, Painful? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now here. Fine. Actually, can you modulate by 0? I'm not so sure. In case. Hey. Oh, yeah. Blind jump over. Be back. Rikers is on too. Oh boy. His train game looking better and better, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
And
oh, he's doing a game jam. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff I do not do. A lot of games devs like to do game jams. I hate game jams. Just hate them with a passion of Jesus Christ, man. I'm not even religious. Where's his train game? I wanted to see his train game, man. Where's the train game? Now that is from his train game. Now that looks interesting. Roomba. Oh yeah, I meant to add Roomba to my game too. Good choice. Good choice. Blind jump over. How come it got the same? Oh. There you go. There you go. It's not even, I mean, Russian, yeah, for sure is that, but my thing is that just, I don't like short-term projects. Alright. Let me see. Let's see. So what I'm just adding is actual, be right back. And now I'll test the new animation. Okay. Fast food has arrived. Alright, let's see. So left kick, right kick. I think that working wise. Let's try it again. Let's see. That was right kick, left kick. Let's do it from the other way around. Maybe slow it down a bit. Right kick, left kick, right kick. Animation being really a bit jumpy there. I don't want to do three-way motion merge. Really don't want to do that. Make sure not on the left foot. Well, you say that a lot of dances you actually start with the left foot on purpose. So, what you be talking about? Alright, here we go. Reset. Now, why is there hardness? Boom. Boom. Right there. Jumping over left, transitioning back to flying, and not being forced to go from flying to jump over. Yeah, I understand. The only really good way to handle that is to transition back faster. Oh, that one didn't even kick. Not this weird, like, small kick after that. I suspect I might know the reason why, but that's fine. I got other things to fix. My goodness, I was compiling the updated version to the shader compiler I used. That thing was compiling for 5 minutes of C++ compilation. I wasn't even done, maybe halfway through. God damn it, dude. How do people of Rust language ever survive? Because them takes even longer. Added left and right foot kicks. Opening chests. What's up, Shader Snake? Things good, things are good. Time to push, I don't know, maybe 50 mags, 40 mags. Yeah, at least don't be that guy who spent 3 years building a game in Rust and had to switch away to another language. No, that would suck. But anyway, let's go see what I finished yesterday plus off stream a bit. So now you can actually buy items. What's up, Jonas? You got your gold. You can click and watch the gold go down. Rip, rip. When you look over, you can see how much each item costs. And then you can just drag it and sell for 7. Sell for 5. Restore to get in new ones. That's right. Yeah, one thing I did is that in the inventory in this case, it doesn't do comparison against what you're wearing, but when you're buying stuff, it does do comparison if you have something. So you can quick, for example, this would be worth it. This you don't even have, so it's fine. Also added, yeah, I know. One thing I did was that now you have an additional tooltips here for inspection. So if you wanted to have a gold price at any time, you can just, like, you don't have to go to a market, because it could be kind of annoying. Like if you, let's say you get some items here, right? You're kind of curious, like, how much are they worth? So you just hover, hold Alt, and that should give you an inspect and give you a price for everything while you're holding Alt. I'm almost tempted to change the color of the Alt key there and inspect to indicate that you're holding it down. Yeah. Preview button to view keeping screen. Well, yeah, I could. I do that already when you hover over the equipment. I could extend that to this menu. There's always something minor stuff like that to add. For sure, quality of lives. For sure. Is that going to be a lot of effort or not? Hubba, hubba, hubba. Let me see. Preview, preview, preview. Yes. Preview. Yeah. This might not be that difficult, actually. I might already have everything in place. Why coming up with good ideas requires me to spend time to implement. Let's see, I need... No, this one doesn't have it here, right? No. It would be under here somewhere. When you just hover over item. No. That's what happened there, right? Am I using CMake? Hell yes, of course. Hell yes, I do. What is this crap? Web dev, seriously? You showed me that crap? Hell yeah, you CMake. Like a real man. Instead of be whining about CMake on X. CMake is awesome. Even lets me generate a build header. What's up, Supreme? So where do I hover over an item? No, no, no. This maybe? No. You have too much code. Why do I have so much code? What generator do I use? One for Visual Studio 2022. I once tried to use Clang, but it wasn't any faster to compile at all. So that was thrown out of the garbage. Vibe coding? That's funny. Bruce with the jokes. Rolling up them jokes. Alright, I need to find in this 5,000 lines. Where do I... You're serious. You are serious. Yeah, this might... Oh, this is inventory slot. Fine, you know what? I'm just gonna add a new one. Cell slot? I guess that's what I want. Yeah, keep bringing it up, you dumb on this game or whatever. But I'm good, not looking to change my game. Wait, I don't need this. No, I don't need sell slot. I need market inventory slot. Yeah. Well, you're on Linux, so you don't have much of a choice. Ain't got choice, buddy. I'm gonna be munching on some hot dogs. If you're on Linux, yeah, I recommend Clang. Well, just to see, maybe faster sometimes. Depends what is faster for you. Okay. I need to get access to equipment. Would the approach to creating a multiplayer game? Would you use Win32 API for sockets? I mean, whatever platform you're on. So yeah, you have to use whatever you got. Oh, on Steam, you might use their UDP if you're doing player-to-player stuff. P2P. But generally, go whatever lowest API that you have available on your platform. Because all you really need, you need a UDP interface. But multiplayer is very difficult to get right. Very, very difficult. You have to know a lot to be able to pull that off. Could I please search for the game on the Googles? I mean, I definitely can, for sure. I'm just gonna need a lot of money for that. A lot. A lot indeed. Okay, I don't need that. I do need to check something. Something else is doing preview, I guess. Duracell battery, indeed. Hopefully that works. Go do the hard work. Easy answer. Getting good is very easy. You just do the work. Slot, equipment slot. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go through the equipment on the items, see which one matches. Actually, it's not even this. It's that. Please name the hard work. It's a game, you go make a game. Where you only spend 1% or 5% of your time looking up tutorials, and the rest you just coding away. Type, right? Yes. Today is a day of K-pop. To mix it up. Guess otherwise I'll just set it to false. An item. Item? Oh, need to be that. Let's see how that works. Hard book. With tutorial. Well, depend what you do. Depend what you're doing. There's a ton of tutorials out there, most of them are useless. Most of them you'll get more out of just working on your own by yourself for an hour as opposed to watching a tutorial. So just sit down and code what you need to code. And spend an hour debugging will be more useful than reading a book. Okay. So let's see if this actually gets hit. Unhoverable, market slot, stability. This has hoverable, right? Oh, what happened? What did it kick out? I actually don't need the slot technically, but this might be easier to do it this way. Oh yeah, this one doesn't have hoverable. I can add it. Or I can do this thing. I can do parent thing. I mean, pair visibility might be, I don't know, maybe. Right. Try that. Is my code available? Only the beginning of this from 2 years ago. If you want to see the beginning of CMake and Vulkan C++ rendering of IM GUI and physics integration, I got you. That I got. This was it. Even if all the structures basically remain the same, I still have a bunch of links of what I used to teach myself DX12, which I then gave up, then into Vulkan, which then I stayed with. And this is my code structure. Very much similar to what I have now, just a lot more stuff going on. But I even still have this file called GPU image. Still got that. Probably still have some more stuff. Well, you can pull it down, compile it, run it yourself. It'll be good exercise for you. But no, I don't have the project on. Maybe I had it at one point. But maybe it's this. No. No, it's been show stuff, actually. Kind of weird stuff, whatever. You know, my parents. Oh, this is actually gonna work? Because I'm looking for item die, which I will not find. So yeah, just go turn off. Fine. Hey, look at that. It just works. Oh yeah. Look at that. It was like 5 minutes of work. No, item die doesn't have application, but yeah, everything else could do a preview. Easily. Except this one blocks, so it's a bit annoying. I need to make that be semi-transparent. Now that doesn't look as clean. Best way to learn C++, start with C, do that for a year, then do C++. And just pick some project to implement and implement that mostly by yourself. That's the best way to do it. Books and tutorials not gonna help you much. Hell, nowadays you're probably better off just asking ChatGPT for very simple issues and syntax questions. Like seriously, actually today with ChatGPT, even a free version, it's probably gonna be better than any book or free tutorial out there. That's what I was doing when I was writing stuff with Python. Just asking quick little questions. Okay, space to exit out. Good. The only thing I think I saw is at this bottom. Did not properly remove the top correctly. Close the deal. Yeah, ChatGPT is very good. I've used the ChatGPT quite a bit when I was implementing a learning Vulkan by myself. Yeah, okay. I guess that's an old debug. It's an old debug. Look, there's a little bit of this code and suddenly I have preview. The only thing I wanted to check is, does this still work? Yeah. Okay. Good. So that works. Preview while in the market shop. Good idea. Didn't take much to implement. The only thing is, was it going after inventory? Something made it kick it out. All these fancy interactions always lead to having bugs. Mm-hmm. Let's go take care of that. Okay. Let's see. Previously relied on the bottom slots, all bearing one piece. The covers bottom and top. Supreme never gives up, never surrenders. Okay, what the hell is this? What the hell is that? Skin mesh, what's the difference? Animation morph targets. No, I'm just confused. What's the difference between this and that? Oh, this has accessory, and this one's attachment. Oh, is this a tie? Yeah, for ties. I see. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. So if preview is enabled, let's just walk it once. I need to refresh my memory. Types bottoms, check. Oh, I was looking for glasses. Use bottoms, there you go. Where's every file? This big one. Well, some guys just have bigger source files than you. That's just what it is. All right. Still got the bottoms. This is the bottoms. Actually, this one works fine. It's the top that needs to be corrected. Yeah, let's go find wrist. What about top? Up and top, there you go. Because if the previous for bottoms, it needs to replace the top of a default. If it's that. Well, these items can be previewed from either right, bottoms hovering over one piece. If it's top, and the previous for top, probably bottoms. Right, color dyes, I don't care about that. I think I need to do it here actually. Why don't I do something I don't want to do? Because I'm looking to do something else. That's why. There's 1,001, 1,000,001 C++ tutorials out there. You don't need me for that. Yeah, I mean, fine. So if there's an item, they're playing color dyes actually. If you really want something from me, you can find my free PDF book I wrote that on how to build games in C++ using Game Engine. Let me see, where was this? I think it was here. Yeah, there you go. That was my previous work. If you want how to build games using an open source game engine, that's free, part of Linux Foundation. This is the item that I have. Top, yes, okay. Do I have item here? Yeah, I do. Okay. Bottoms hovering over one piece. Right. That should be matching here. So why is it not matching? If it's a top, preview for top with bottoms. Which comment is it wrong? No, it was bottom covering. If this is for top slot, preview for top, but the primary type is bottoms. Oh, it's like a side thing. Does the 3D use Vulkan? Yeah, 3D provides DX12, Vulkan, Metal, probably even consoles. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does consoles as well. I think maybe not nowadays. Maybe now it's hard to get, but yeah, it's a complete game engine. So I wrote a book how to use it because that's what I used to work. Previewing bottoms on with one piece tops and bottoms. So I need to do that. No, I'm Ukrainian. Although nowadays I'm American, but originally I'm from Ukraine. I don't actually do this here, but I kind of want it. Primary type would be top, I think. And this might work. Hazel engine, never looked at it, no idea. No idea. But also general, I don't care about other game engines. Very rarely do they take the same approach as I do, so it rarely has any point for me. Nope, that's not doing it yet. Hello, maybe. No, this does work. Default mesh for it, yes. Wait, does this clear again? will clear it. Then what the hell's the point of doing all that if it's clearing it? Oh, it's supposed to return here. Uh-huh. Okay. Well, this might not apply styling. Okay. That works. Do none of them ever get a freaking color? Guess not really. We rarely just get it. I'm doing what by choice? Not sure what you're talking about. DOP? What you talking about, man? What are you talking about? Yeah, this preview looks good. Definitely looks good. Oh, data-oriented programming? No, it's definitely not by choice. In the past, I was mostly doing object-oriented programming because that's what I was getting paid to do. I had no choice but to do that. But then after watching Mike Acton, Jonathan Blow, I was like, hey, there might be an interesting way of doing things. So, not do like a mix. But definitely since I wrote my own entity component system, now things are quite a bit different. You want to see where my game entity components live and stored? Let me show you the magic behind the scenes. For this game, yes. In the past, my prototypes would usually do object-oriented approach in general, but this one is definitely this. So this here is where all my components live. It's just a big dynamic buffer. Well, it's resizable dynamic buffer is needed. And all the components just go there. 4 entities is needed. And then just pull it from there. Just big linear array. So anytime you see something like that, behind the scenes, it computes where those components are, gets pointers to them, passes components back into this callback, and off you go. And so far, it's so fast. Just blazing fast. Oh, Jesus. Did animation get screwy? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Wow. No wonder. No wonder. Oh. Oh. Fine, jump overs. Sometimes you just have to rebuild it. A lot of games are similar, man. A lot of games are similar. Alright, how about now? It's gonna be the right animation for once. Yes, yes it is. Okay. Kicked, yep, foot. Right, left. I might want with the transition back faster when I do that though. It's the only thing. Maybe blend in time, make it like 0.1 second. Will that be better? Looks like a bunny. It's kind of funny. Let's look at the haul. 131. Yeah, okay. Let's go hunt something more useful. Yes. First blue item. Let's go look. 7 gold, yeah. Because now we actually compute the price of an item based on the type and what attributes it has. Maybe I should put a background for 1 gold, but maybe not. Not sure. I don't know. Oh yeah, prices on this 9 gold, 8. Okay, okay. I guess heal is probably kind of expensive. Yeah, I added gold for subtypes. I do them here. For example, this one. Makes this cost an additional 5. It's 9 right now. 13 now. Makes sense, makes sense. I've actually been thinking to do like a boost effect to stats on a dual items. So any item that has a property of a dual slot, you should get like a double effect. Right. Right, I'm doing it here. Optional secondary. Could do that here actually. To be careful the way I double it, to be honest. That doesn't... I mean, maybe that one doubled, but some of this one suspiciously not doubled. Suspiciously not doubled. Okay, randomize equipment. Seems the same. Hey, why is this not triggering it? Right, top and bottom, fine. You just ignored me? Okay, that's cool. That's cool, I suppose. I'm not so sure. Man, some of the new stuff is a bit broke. Alright, show me. Show me. Why does this only trigger sometimes? Is this not marked as that? Wait a second. The subtype, fine. Type 3. What, do you want a name or something? Oh, get item type, name. No, it has bottoms in there, just fine. Yet it didn't actually trigger. And yet. Up. Okay, good. Oh, I forced it to be secondary afterwards. Oh, I'm a little cheater. I'm a little freaking cheater. Okay. Right, 4 styles. No, well, that's fine. That's fine. Don't care as much about that. Okay. Honestly, market is kind of done. I can sell items, can buy items, review them. Basically all the basic stuff I need. Like maybe implement clicking so it does this automatically. Shift click to sell. You can try. care. You should ask a doctor, man, not me. Actually, here I need to know if I'm in the market view. I guess ignore is fine. Like, that's funny. I have no idea if it makes a difference or not. Alright, let's see. So this still works. And then here. Man, scopes and Visual Studio begin to break down a little bit. There you go. Let me see. Else if inventory and view in the market. To sell on the market. Oh, I need to go get the market sale slot. Right. Don't yet have. Well, that's that. Alright, what do I need to do? I think I just need to straight line animation, that stuff. Kicking out, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Target UI identity. Is that what I need to do? Okay. Seems reasonable. Seems reasonable. Maybe I can shove it in here. What does that mean? Target is what I'm moving, right? To market, I guess. From inventory. Source is that. What is that? For me, get what it means? I don't remember what that means. Visualization. Yeah, that's where we're going to. So maybe it says just that. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. It's good news. It's trying to sell it, so that's good. Fix at some point. Rip, rip. Broop, broop. Alright. Now to do an on arrival logic. On arrival. Oh yeah, I was playing nice demo today actually. This was kinda cute. I'll take a break with it. In Uno Momento. This was a pretty good game. Cute little, the best asteroid game I've seen in a while. Over 10,000 reviews. Right after, take care of this. Reach destination, yeah. Go into this. Yeah, this part. If we go into market, this is our sell. Auto drag. We're gonna have to get it, huh? Well, that'll probably have. On the item itself. Oh, you just give it a slot. Even easier. Is that it? Wink. +7. +8. +9. Yeah. Okay. Easy enough. Easy enough. Let's see. Did it have a controller option? Oh no, really? You're gonna do that to me? Really, game? You just have to go full screen, dude. You just have to, don't you? Don't you? Good mode, Chuck. I was playing a 1K resolution, no wonder. No wonder. Oh, that is the lamest. Okay. Let's see. What frame rate am I at? 60, of course. Okay, 144 is back. Good. Okay. Alright, so let's see. How do I move? Moving in this. Okay, aiming at fires. Fine. Movement is not in a direction. Okay. What's up, 3D? Taking a break of a demo of a game. And rip bullish fan out. You know, let's do that. I was just implementing some market for items. You know what? Settings, mute music. Pause. So now this works. You can sell the items, buy them. It's +6, +5. Okay, that works. Now is a quick break. I don't like how to play this game with controller. It's a little loud. Surprisingly, this game is nicer to play with a mouse. Upgrade, yes, let's do upgrade. Dodge. Usually when I'm not playing this demo, I'm just working on my Diablo game. But gotta try out action RPGs such as this asteroid-like game. Pretty sweet looking. Dude, stop spawning this Galaga stuff on my face. This heat-seeking stuff is kind of cute. I should add something like that to the game too. I already have it for big boss robot, but not for a player. Could definitely do that. Whoa. Upgrade time? No, I do not want to. Actually, that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, let's see. Drones always nice. Hmm. Increases rapid fire. Probably go for this. Something that just lands faster, I guess. Yeah. Oh god, here comes the laser. Emission blast radius. Hmm. All right. Bring it. Oh, you bumped me. Can slower. Rate of fire again. Let's do that. That's actually like that. Boom. Good time. And then onto the upgrade. Okay. Jesus. Seen these guys before, I think. Jumpy little ones. Oh god, something big. Oh god. No, no, no. Man. Drones time. I think it's time for some drones. Ignite. Okay. Thinking it. Sure. Drone formation. Oh, they just like completely detached. I see. Oh, that's cute. Right. Yes. Excellent. This guy got me last time. Yup. That also got me last time. I unlocked something this time. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Alright, it's getting late. It's time for camera off. It's too much bright light. Reedy versus Unreal Engine? Is that the name? Is that the name? So fine. Store's functional. Maybe I'll just make it easier to exit out of it. So you can do space, which is not really known. You can do escape. I like it when you press character or inventory, just exit out. Can I hide everything? And that remembers, but alright, so I guess not. I'm curious how it will look. So it makes it self-visible. I guess the problem is it changes the input. No, this actually might be fine. But all it does is hides everything. Doesn't actually set the state. Huh. Oh, was actually something to do with this? Right. Just get this working. Hmm. Oh, it hides it, so no longer needs to do anything. Right. I see. I understand. I understand. I get it. It's currently showing. I mean, hell, might as well. Right? Yeah. Although that might do something. Oh, actually, no, not this. What? Not shown. This does trigger, right? Does. It's false, it becomes true, supposedly. Nothing happens after that. Really? No, none of that should be affected. Interesting. Wait, to do the opposite? Do the opposite. Hmm. Huh? Just restart. Be right back. Oh, so why does it alternate? That makes the least amount of sense. Actually, what about this thing? State just pressed. Maybe that's the main issue. Oh, it's there for a moment and then goes away. And then it goes away. So one, it gets set to true. Let's say it, but something toggles it out. Unless something calls it hide. We're not showing. Okay, we'll call this. And that's it. Still set to false. And yet something makes it appear. I'm so confused. Makes it toggle. Equipment root, right. in here. Maybe it's this one doing it somehow. Right, that's I think true. Oh, it's set to toggle both of them. It does both of them. Okay, makes sense. That makes sense. In that case, I shouldn't be doing this part. I see. That's kind of annoying. Be easier just to remove that. We'll just all remove that. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Now here. Excuse me. Oh, is it consistent now? Yeah, something just kicks it out. Okay. Okay. What is kicking it out? Still saying view in the market, but I just got told to dismount. What's on the button only anyway? Oh, when you hide the panels, it does that. Oh. It's a complete reset. I don't want to do that. Do not want to do that. Sitting down on the chair. So yeah, that will turn off the UI, fine. But also need to do here to hide it, to show. It'll be easy if I just move that. Get UI root, right. Be back.
that's all that we got left now. Before the road will run out, before it's time for goodbyes. 4 miles until we're changing our lives. What's at the end of this ride? Don't know just where we'll arrive, but you could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. No looking back, eyes on the road. Only thinking about where we're supposed to go. Don't have a map, just go with the flow. There's certain things we're not supposed to know. 4 miles, that's all